Hello, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Leah.
And we're here today to show you some of the features
of Higher Penhale. So please watch this video to take a look.
It's a very important and imposing farmhouse. It's been here for many centuries, stood the test of time. And what I really love are some of these key architectural features. Just look at this granite pillar. Just look at these wonderful arches into the front door. It really is a substantial home that I'm sure is ready for the next person to come and enjoy.
The gardens here are split into two sections. Here we are in the front garden. As you can see, it benefits from a potting shed and beautiful views over Willsey Woods.
For many years, the owners have enjoyed creating fresh produce here from the property, a whole range of fruits and berries, and they've even been able to sell a lot of the produce from the property in the form of jams and chutneys. And we have a number of vegetable beds here just ready to be uncovered and produce grown.
Here we are in the back garden, which is flat and enclosed, perfect if you've got dogs or children, or even both. As you can see, the sun is shining in beautifully on this area of garden, so it's perfect if you want to come out and relax after work or of a weekend and have a nice barbecue. Higher Penhale benefits from a field which is approximately 5 acres. It is currently split into two and a section of it used as a wildlife area. It is perfect for if you would like to keep a small array of animals.
And on my right hand side here, there's a large area which has been ring fenced for the development of soft fruits and berries. And from this part of the garden, you get one of the very best views, looking over the Inny Valley towards Dartmoor National Park. The property also has the benefit of a large corrugated barn, providing extra storage, an additional barn, and in front of the farmhouse, there's a concrete area and a garage, plus plenty of parking and turning for a large collection of vehicles.
Internally, there are 4 bedrooms with a formal dining room with a beautiful fireplace, along with the living room also having a wonderful fireplace. There's a kitchen diner with handy utility rooms at the back of the property. It is oil-fired central heating and features double glazing.
And within just a few miles, you've got accessible the rugged North Cornish coastline, with all its beautiful skyline encompassing sandy beaches, hilltop walks and waves for surfing. Really is a unique element of this property, being so close to those facilities. So there we are. In summary, solid 4-bedroom farmhouse, wonderful productive grounds, gardens and produce, and 5 acres, all in a lovely setting close to Bodmin Moor.
So if you think Higher Penhale might be a property for you, then please give us a call on 015 66 77 1919.